So how to reset your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G? I'll show you the two different way. One way is from setting and another way without setting. Suppose you forget your pattern or password, how to do it? So first method is go to setting and go to reset and just press on reset, and you have to select delete all. And if you are using the Samsung Galaxy email, then you have to enter your password as well. Now your erasing is processing. Let's check. Yeah, now my phone is starting from. Now you have to just set up your phone, so you can skip this process. And now let's go with the second method. For this method you need a cable and you have to connect your phone with laptop or PC. I already connect my phone with my computer. Now once charge is come, you have to press on, you have to wait a couple of seconds. So once it starting to charge, then power button and volume up button press and hold together. And once logo comes, you have to release your hand from power button and keep holding the volume up button, and then you can see this option. Now you have to select your factory reset, this option. Now press on your power button again, factory data reset. Now it's complete. You see, it's complete. Now simply turn off your mobile and release your cable from your phone and turn on your mobile again. And now you have to set up your phone again like previous. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. If you have any question or face any problem, feel free to ask in comment section below. I will help you. Thank you. Have a good day.